body of the blender is well built and has strong suction cup feet that stick the blender well to the surface you have it sitting on. The extractor blade has 4 blades, each facing slightly different direction. Inside the extractor blade you can see a rubber O-ring that prevents spillage of any liquid contents from the cups outside. The extractor blade component should not be cleaned in a dishwasher. The blender comes with a couple of accessories, for example this to-go lid that you can use with your 700 ml handled cup for smoothies on the go. The extractor blade fits both the smaller 700 ml cup as well as the larger 900 ml cup. I tend to use the 900 one most of the time, as that's the amount of smoothies we tend to make. The 900 ml cup comes with its own pitcher lid with a vented cap that you can use to add additional ingredients, and I tend to use it when adding more water if the smoothie is too thick. The blender control panel has a couple of functions: low, high, pulse and extract. The low option is used to mix thin batter, gravies, marinades, scrambled eggs, processed cooked foods and uncooked fruits. The high one is used for thick mixtures, blend frozen fruits and vegetables. Pulse is used to control chopping and processing. My most favorite function is the extract mode, as it produces super smooth smoothies. It's an automatic function, it runs for about a minute with 2 stops, so that it fully mixes everything that you have put inside. Thank you for watching my short user review of the blender, and please do post any questions in the comments below the video. In order to see the blender in real life action, please see some of my simple smoothie ideas for every day.